If you quit once, it becomes a habit. So never quit. Namaskaram, this is Kapil from EHS Academy and welcome to another video. Guys, do you know within our India, there are some qualifications in health and safety. If you hold such qualification, then you can directly approach to CSP, Certified Safety Professional Certification from BCSP USA. Yeah, without giving ASP, you can directly approach to CSP. So in today's video, I'm gonna discuss with you what are all those qualifications that will come under QEP. QEP means what? Qualified Equivalent Program. It means it is a special program which is run by BCSP. So whatever the qualifications that are coming under QEP will get as a waiver from ASP. It means those qualifications which are coming under QEP program, they don't need to give any ASP and all. They can directly go to the CSP if they are fulfilling the experience criteria also along with the academic criteria. So in today's video, I'm going to show you each and everything, how you can find the QEP list, and we'll show you each and every qualification what are available under QEP, Indian qualifications. So without wasting any single second, let's get straight into the video. First of all, you need to come onto the Google. Okay. After coming onto the Google, just click here BCSP, Board of Certified Safety Professionals. Okay. And clicking, you will be having some sort of interface in such a way. Just second option, you can see here Board of Certified Safety Professionals. Just click on that. When you will click on it, the interface will be in such sort of way. Okay. Now inside that, first option is that you can see here credentials. Credential option, click on that. After credential, you will be having some sort of interface in such sort of way. First option is that is called certification, second is designation, and third is information. So whatever thing you are going to see in this video, that will come under designation. So under designation, you can see two options are there. First is called GSP, Graduate Safety Practitioner, and second is Transitional Safety Practitioner. Okay, now you need to first of all have a clarity about what is GSP and what is TSP. So now, if you are, for example, you are pursuing any sort of degree, diploma, certificate, any qualification that is coming under QAP program. QAP is applicable to US qualification. Those who are pursuing any sort of degree, diploma, certificate inside the USA, they will come under QAP program. And after the completion of that program, they will be awarded a designation that is called GSP, Graduate Safety Practitioner. So once you are a GSP, you don't need to give any ASP directly. You can approach to a CSP if you are meeting with the experience criteria also. Now, what about those guys, those who are studying apart from the USA, like India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Russia, China? What about these guys? So these guys will come under QEP program. What is that? QEP, Qualified Equivalent Program. And after the completion of that program, they will get a designation that is called TSP, Transition Safety Practitioner. Okay. So now, what about us guys? We are from India now. So we will come under QEP program. And after completion of our programs, our qualification, it may be any degree, diploma, certificate, whatever it is, we will get TSP designation. So now I will click on TSP. After clicking on that, you will get a full interface in such sort of way. So now, before getting the list of such institutions, let me discuss something more about TSP, because you need to have some basic understanding apart from TSP. Okay, so you can see here something they have given, like the Transition Safety Practitioner. Let me come here so you can see it clearly. Okay, the Transitional Safety Practitioner is a designation available to individuals who complete a program which meets BCSP Qualified Equivalent Program. So now what I told you is, if you are completing any program, any degree, diploma, certificate that is coming under QEP program, okay, like BTech Safety in Fire, BTech in Fire Engineering, any qualification, it may be any qualification, but it should come under QEP. Okay, now how it can come under QEP? So for that, there are separate procedures are there. I can develop a separate video after some time of that. Okay, QEP standards. The TSP program is an alternate part to the CSP. It means there are a lot of paths. Only GSP and TSP are not only paths. There are a lot of waivers are there. It means a list of qualifications is available. If you don't want to go for ASP, no issues. But you should have some sort of qualification. The list is available there. I can develop some more videos on that. Okay. So now, and does not replace other paths. The TSP is not a certification, first of all. It's a designation. It's not a certification, it's a designation. Like CSP is a designation, SMS is a certification, like these designation it is. Okay, now, you need to understand one more thing is there. When your qualification is found a substantial match of the ESP, then only it will be awarded that particular QEP program. It means it will be like coming under QEP program. Okay, so it means that if a qualification is coming under QEP program, it is assumed that that particular qualification have a syllabus which is substantial match of ASP. Okay, now benefits of become TSP. Why we need to become TSP? Why there is a need of TSP? So there are many benefits you can see here. Meeting the CSP eligibility requirement of holding a BCSP qualified credentials. Okay, After that, second is they're recognizing for being on path toward the CSP certification. Like if you are holding TSP, then it is being assumed that you are going for CSP, then it is good now. Everybody can recognize you. Third is that recognition for the level of preparation for professional safety practitioner. A lot of benefits are there, so you can read them after pausing that video. Okay, so now QEP I have given here. What is QEP? Okay, they have told the same thing what I told you, like substantial match and all. Now what about TSP, how we can apply that? So for the application they have written here, individuals who hold a credentials from any QEP may apply for the TSP within the QEP program applicable dates. So there are separate dates are also available for that. From how much time you need to apply for the QEP program for TSP designation and all. Okay, you need to just submit an application to the BCSP by going into the my profile, and you can apply from there. So now what about this TSP? If you are holding any TSP, means there are some limit criteria is also available for that. So you can see here TSP must apply for and pass the CSP examination within 6 years from of the date TSP is awarded. For example, today you have awarded the TSP designation. So from today to the next 6 years, you need to achieve CSP certification at any cost. Okay. After becoming a TSP, all TSP may pay annual renewal fees to maintain their designation, just like ASPs and CSPs. Once a TSP meets the requirements for the CSP certification, they may submit their CSP application. Two requirements are main: academic and experience. Academic, you have qualified through TSP. Experience, once you completed that, you can apply for CSP. Okay, that is the meaning of that point. Now we have discussed a lot of things about TSP. Let's come and check out the list of it. Okay, so in the last section you can see one option is that is called resources. So under that, second option is there list of qualified equivalent programs. So it's a, like you can call it, it's a PPT or PDF format. So we will just open that. Okay, list of QEP you can see here. Let me zoom for you. You can see it here. We will click here. It's a PDF generally. Okay, now it will open. We will download it. Okay, so this is the list that you can see here. Okay, here you will find all the programs that is coming under QEP. So let me zoom here for you so you can see here. So see, most of the universities that I was suggesting to you to do your MTech, BTech in safety and fire, that was listed under that program. So that is the reason why I am suggesting you these universities and that colleges again and again. So first university you can see here, Anna University from Chennai. If you are completing your Masters of Technology in Industrial Safety Engineering from this particular university, then after the completion of that, you can apply for TSP designation. And if you have sufficient experience criteria, you can directly approach for CSP examination. That is the benefit of that. First university, Anna University, Chennai. Any college that is providing MTech in ISE that is affiliated to Anna University, you will be awarded TSP designation. Okay. Second is CUSAT, Cochin University of Science and Technology. Two program is awarded by CUSAT. First is BTech in Safety and Fire Engineering, and second is MTech in HSE Management. So both the programs are applicable for that particular QEP. It means if you completed any of the program out of that, you can become a TSP, whether it is PE program or whether it is MTech. Okay. So now afterwards, fourth is their European Safety Council, that is not from India. Yeah, fifth one is from India, that is called Jawaharlal Nehru Technical Education Council of Skill Development, that is from New Delhi. Okay, so they are providing one diploma that is called PG Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety. Health, Safety and Environment, sorry. It's a certificate, sorry. Okay, it's a certificate. So if you complete that also, you can become a TSP. After that, it's a NASA program, and after that, NIBOSH is there, which is not from India. Yeah, see here. After NIBOSH, you can see here one option is there that is called National Institute of Industrial Engineering. It is from Mumbai. Okay, they are providing one diploma that is called PG Diploma in Industrial Safety and Environmental Management. So you can go for that also. Those guys, those who want to become CSP after that, BTech and all, they can go for this particular diploma. It is very good. After that, prestigious one, NIT Trichy, National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Okay, that is also their program MTech in ISE, Industrial Safety Engineering. It is also applicable for QEP program. After that, ProfTech is not from India. Yeah, see the second last, RTM Nagpur University, National Fire Science College. First of all, RTM Nagpur University National Fire Service College. Okay, it's not a National Fire Science College, it's a National Fire Service College. They are providing one program that is called Bachelor's in Fire Engineering. It's a 4-year program. So if you complete that also, you can become a TSP. Okay, because it is coming under QEP program. So guys, these are the programs that is coming under QEP, and you can become TSP if you are pursuing these sort of programs from these universities. Now, in the end, I hope you understood TSP meaning and QEP meaning. if you want separate videos on these programs, like how to apply for that, what is the criteria for that, fees and all, everything, if you need, kindly let me know through the comment box. I can develop some more videos on these topics. Okay, so till now, if you have any doubt, guys, you can drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.